Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up your mobile hotspot on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open your settings, click on to connection, you get mobile hotspot. Okay, easily customize from here. Press on, showing you to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot. If you want to set up to limit, select to edit limit. Okay, usually set up to limit, press on OK. Now set up to data limit. If you want to lock hotspot, to lock this or unlock, and auto connect, one-time password, and you can easily customize from here anything. If you want to change name, password, customize password, and brand, and that's how you can easily set up your hotspot.